What's up guys, this is a quick unboxing for the Philips OneBlade shaver. So I've actually bought this from Amazon and I paid £30 for it, but you can actually get one with an extra blade and a travel pouch with it as well for £40. But what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below if you need more information or if you want to buy one. So right, let's have a look around the box. This is how it comes in the box, and the shaver itself comes with a 2-year warranty as well. So it actually comes with 4 blades, this one, and they actually call them stubble combs. On the top it says it runs off lithium-ion batteries and 60-minute runtime. On the side here it just tells you, again, it's got lithium-ion batteries, rechargeable batteries, charge for 4 hours, and it's ready for 60 minutes of use. You can use it wet and dry. Use it with or without shaving foam, or you can even use it in the shower, it says. So what they're telling you, it is waterproof. On the other side it tells you it's got a durable OneBlade which lasts up to 4 months. It's got 4 click-on blades for a perfect stubble, 4 lengths. You got 1, 2 and 3 and 5mm blades, and on the back of it it just tells you what type of things you can do with it. So it can actually trim from 1 to 5mm, or else you can use the edge on it which will shape your beard, or else you can shave it off completely. So what I'll do now is I'll open it up so we can have a closer look at it. So we'll have a quick look what comes inside the box itself. So you've got a 2-pin charger, you've got 3 blades, and you've got the 4th one in the top there. You've got, if you register your OneBlade online, you get 15% off your replacement blade, it says. And then you just got some instructions, warranty papers and stuff. So the actual blade comes off like that with a clip, and this is what the actual blade looks like. It's really small, feels pretty light. There's the charging port, which I'm surprised is not covered, because usually if they are waterproof they normally have them covered. But it seems like a really good build, pretty simple. It's got a blade cover as well on it, and this is what the actual blade looks like. So if you press this it'll turn on. I've not actually used it yet, so I can't really give you a review on it. To take the blade off, you just push this up and it will pop the blade off just like that. To put it back on, you just pop it back on like that. So right guys, that's all I can tell you about the shaver really. So I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying one, so you know exactly what you're getting. And thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.